Stellar evolution in Pteridophyta. The stellar part means xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem parts are called vascular bundles. The vascular bundles portions are called stellar portions. The stellar portions are first developed from the Pteridophyta plants. So we studied stellar evolution in Pteridophyta. Stellar evolution in Pteridophyta. Steel in pteridophytes mainly four types. They are protostele in Lycopodium, siphonostele in Marsilia, dictyostele in Pteris, eustele in Equisetum. So first we discussed about the protostele. Protostele mean medulla is absent, only vascular tissues are present. Medulla is absent, only vascular tissues are present in the stele called protostele. Example plant is Lycopodium. In that Lycopodium, mainly xylem and phloem tissues are present. There is no medulla. Based on the arrangement of xylem, the protostele again divided into following types: haplostele, actinostele, plectostele, mixed stele. Haploprotostele, actinoprotostele, plectoprotostele, mixed protostele. These are the major types of steles, protosteles in the Lycopodium. Including these four major types, polystele plant also there. Polysteles also there. Haplostele, actinostele, pectostele, mixed stele, and polystele. The second stele is siphonostele. Siphonostele example is Marsilia rhizome. The siphonostele, siphon means compulsory medulla is present at center region of stele. Medulla is present at center region of stele. Around the medulla, vascular tissues are present in a siphon-like structure. Vascular tissues are arranged in a siphon-like structure around the medulla. Based on the arrangement of these phloem, the siphonostele again divided into two types. One is simple siphonostele and solanostele. Simple siphonostele again divided into two types: amphiphloic siphonostele, ectoploic siphonostele. Amphiphloic siphonostele means two phloem siphons are present in the stele called amphiphloic siphonostele. Ectoploic siphonostele means phloem siphon present at outside or phloem present at peripheral region called ectoploic siphonostele. And solanostele means the siphonostele cut into fragment at one place. The siphonostele cut into fragments. They look like capital C in structure, capital C in shape, called solanostele. The solanosteles also divided into two types based on the arrangement of phloem. They are amphiphloic solanostele, ectoploic solanostele. Amphiphloic solanostele means two phloem siphons are present. There are in solano-like structure. The solano means capital C-shaped structure. Ectoploic means in solanostele, the phloem tissues presented outside of vascular tissues called solanostele, ectoploic and amphiphloic. And the third one is dictyostele. Dictyostele example plant is Pteris rhizome. The dictio means net-like structure. The siphonosteel cut into number of fragments. Siphonosteel cut into number of fragments. They look like a net-like structures. The net-like structure steel is called dictio steel. They are again divided into two types: simple dictio steel, polycyclic dictio steel. Simple dictio steel means only single siphon is present. It cut into number of fragments in the stellar portion, called simple dictio steel. Polycyclic dictio steel means more number of cyclic steels are present in the stellar region. They are cut into number of fragments called polycyclic dictio steel. And the fourth matured steel is U steel. Example plant is in Equisetum. In this steel, vascular bundles are arranged in a radial position of the steel. The vascular bundles are conjoined, collateral, closed, vascular type. Bundles are present in the steel. Now we discuss the diagrammatic steels. Haplosteel, actinosteel, plectosteel, mixed steel. These four steels belongs to protosteel. Protosteel means medulla is absent in these four steels. But based on the xylem arrangement, haplo means at center region xylem is present, it's surrounded by the phloem. They are in simple structure. Haplosteel is also called simple protosteel. And second protosteel is actinoprotosteel or actinosteel. Actino means star-shaped xylem tissues are present at center region of steel. The star-shaped xylem tissue surrounded by the phloem called actinoprotosteel or actinosteel. And plectoprotosteel or plectosteel. Xylem tissues are arranged in a plate-like structure. Between the plate-like xylem's phloem tissues are present called plectosteel or plectoprotosteel. And the fourth one is mixed protosteel or mixed steel. The xylem and phloem tissues are arranged in the mixed portion of the steel. So we called mixed protosteel. And the second example is siphonosteel. Siphonosteel, ectofloic siphonosteel, amphiphloic siphonosteel. Ectofloic siphonosteel means, first we know this siphonosteel. Siphon means compulsory major part is medulla or pith. Medulla present at center region. It's surrounded by the vascular tissues as a siphon-like structure. See, at center region, compulsory major part is medulla or pith. Around the medulla or pith, xylem arranged in a siphon-like structure. And outside of the xylem siphon, phloem tissues are arranged in a siphon-like structure. Phloem tissues present which portion here it is? Outside, ectal to outside of xylem, called ectoploic siphonosteel. Ectoploic siphonosteel. Amphiphloic siphonosteel means two phloem tissues are arranged in a siphon-like structure. At center region, medulla is present. Around the medulla, inner endodermis. Around the inner endodermis, inner pericycle. Around the inner pericycle, inner phloem. Around the inner phloem, xylem tissue. Around the xylem tissue, outer phloem. Around the outer phloem, outer pericycle. Around the outer pericycle, outer endodermis. In this total steel, two phloems are present in a siphon-like structure. One is inner phloem, second is outer phloem. Two phloem tissues are present in this siphon-like structure called amphiphloic siphonosteel. And the third one is solanosteel. Solanosteel means the phloem tissues and xylem tissues are arranged in a siphon-like structure around the medulla or around the pith. But at one portion, the siphon-like structure cut into fragment. They look like a small C shape or capital C shape like structure called solanosteel. If it is in spheroidal structure, we call it siphonosteel. But the spheroidal structure siphonosteel cut at one place, they look like a C shape like structure called solanosteel. Polycyclic solanosteel means more number of siphon-like structures, cyclic-like structures, or vascular tissues-like structures are present in the steel. Here it is one portion of vascular tissue. It is another portion of vascular tissues. We called polycyclic. More than one cyclic of tissues is present in the stellar region called polycyclic solanosteel. And dictyosteel. Dictyosteel means the siphon-like structured tissues, vascular tissues, cut into fragments. In the solanosteel, they cut only one place, but in the dictyosteel, the siphon cut into number of fragments. Between the two vascular fragments, small vascular portion is present. The small vascular portion is called leaf trace. The leaf traces are present in the dictyosteel. It is in single oral. The single oral vascular tissues are cut into fragments. Between the two fragments, small vascular particles are present called leaf traces. If the vascular tissues arranged in the more orals means it is inner oral, it is outer oral. So these outer oral, inner oral vascular tissues are cut into more number of fragments. Between the two fragments, leaf traces are present. This type of dictyosteels are called polycyclic dictyosteel. And the last one is U-steel. See children, we observed only this diagram, U-steel. The U-steel is present at center region of vascular tissues. In the stellar portion, the vascular bundles are arranged in a radial position. The vascular bundles are arranged in a radial position. They look like a vascular bundles. The vascular bundles are conjoint, collateral, closed, end-arc type vascular bundles are present in the equisetum, Schutz. And the last final steel is atactosteel. Atactosteel means the vascular bundles are arranged in a irregular position in the stellar portion. Vascular bundles are arranged in a irregular position in the stellar region. Example in higher plants like monocotyledons. U-steel mean only vascular bundles arranged in a single oral called U-steel. Atactosteel means vascular bundles are arranged in a irregular position in the stellar region called atactosteel. It is the stellar evolution in the pteridophyta plants.